Did you know rabbits communicate using vibrations on the ground? Scientists have found that rabbits produce low-frequency signals through foot thumping and subtle body movements. Other rabbits detect these signals through specialized sensory receptors in their feet that are sensitive to vibration. This form of communications allows them to share information about danger without relying on sound or sight. From a biological perspective, this system increases survival while reducing exposure to predators. For a long time, communication was studied mainly through vocalization, but rabbits show us the complex signaling can exist quietly and efficiently, and learning about that inspires you. It's a gentle reminder that connection doesn't always need noise. It begins with awareness.